You know, when you go to prison, shit gets weird. Mm-hmm. And like I said, she held it for years. And then she couldn't hold it anymore.
You're talking about your baby mom?
Yeah, obviously. Well, I wasn't talking about him.
She got caught slacking then.
Yeah, but I still respect her. Because I understand human beings.
Right.
Even when she was slacking, I could still jump on my phone in prison. Shorty, go to the bank. Jordis, make sure the lawyer gets that. Pay this bill. Give this person money. And she was there right through. But come on, I'm in prison for fucking 13 years. What do you expect her to do? Like, save the pussy? It's not a hedge fund. I don't know. But but I forgave her immediately. Because I understand. But I just had to move on. Bro, she gave me 3 sons. Come on. Big up Shorty, I love her. She made me cry. No. I was in prison. Down the prison was like, what boss? It's crazy, man.